As the storm approaches and the rain begins to fall harder, our biggest concern right now is rising water. So whether it be over roadways or spilling out from creeks and streams, we want you to be careful. Safety is always our top concern. For motorists, our main message is turn around, don't drown. If you see standing water on a roadway, do not assume it's safe to drive through that. Find an alternate route. Quite often you can't see, particularly at nighttime when it's dark. Assume the water is fast moving. Assume that potentially the road has been washed away underneath the surface of the water, or low-lying bridges often get washed away. Again, turn around, don't drown. Takes a few more minutes to go another way, but you're safe. The other message is, kids, we were all kids at one time, and kids love to be attracted to water. Kids, during these bands that come through, they'll go out, they'll play by the creeks and by the streams. Do not let your kids go out and play right now. They're out of school, they're bored, they want to go outside. Assume that the creeks and the streams are overflowing their banks. Remember, those banks often get soft in heavy rain and can easily slip and fall into the stream. We do not want any drownings. Keep your kids inside, keep them safe, and have them stay away from the creeks and the streams. Again, safety is our top concern. Be safe. Thank you.